In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 1/2 inch ratchet chuck, we're going to stick it in the tensioner. Pull it to the passenger side, pulling the tension off and removing the belt. Take the tension off of the tensioner. Remove the ratchet and remove the belt. You're going to have to pull it out from behind the tensioner and remove it from the vehicle. Install the Serpentine belt around the water pump pulley, the crank pulley, and the tensioner pulley. Using a 1/2 inch ratchet, we're going to get on the tensioner pulley, pull the tension off of it, and install the belt over the alternator pulley as we take the tension off. Feel around, make sure the belt is in all the correct grooves, sitting on all of the correct pulleys.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.